believed to be the Omega Key simply activated the key, Omega Supreme. Megatron quickly discovers he can use the device to track Omega Supreme and races above the skies of Iacon in pursuit of his quarry.
Maintain this heading. The device shows the Omega Key is directly ahead.
I thought Zeta said it was gonna come to us.
We are being intercepted.
It's coming right at us!
Stay your course!
We're gonna die!
Turn around and... where did it go?
He's gone! What is this guy? You think he knows about the Omega Key?
No breakdown. He is the Omega Key.
Identity, Omega Supreme. Enemy status, terminated.
What are we gonna do now, Megatron?
Silence! This merely modifies my plan. If Omega Supreme is the key, then I shall force him to open the platform.
Megatron, there's a Decepticon dropship across the bridge. They appear to be scanning for survivors.
Come in, Megatron. This is Starscream. Do you read me?
Starscream, I am 7 clicks north of your position.
Megatron, I watched you crash and burn.
Enough! Meet us at the bridge.
Identification, Decepticons, action, terminate.
Fall back and take cover! He's coming! I can't face me! Help us! Megatron!
Our weapons are ineffective.
Get out of here!
Ground Decepticons! Destroy the bridge supports!
Did it all right, but there goes your Omega Key.
We can salvage the wreckage for what we need.
Done. Acquire. Mission. Destroy.
Fall back! Inside! Quickly!
We must no use, Megatron. The door's locked.
Suggestion, use Dark Energon to open the door.
An excellent idea, Soundwave.
Now what? How are we gonna beat this guy, Megatron?
During our approach to the sector, my scanners detected iron cannons in the top of the chasm wall. I see.
You lure Omega Supreme up there and use the Autobot guns against him.
I don't like it. It's too quiet. Why the ceasefire? Autobot freak!
You're gonna die!
Megatron, I'm receiving a Decepticon transmission.
To all Decepticons who fight for the glory of Cybertron, Megatron has fallen. I, Starscream, have taken my rightful place as your leader!
Starscream, you half-wit! I still function! A fact you shall regret when I choke the life out of you! Now, I order you to deploy ships for immediate evacuation!
Starscream cannot hear you, Megatron. All communication to the surface has been jammed.
Let's head for that lift before that idiot Starscream causes irreparable harm.
Here he comes!
Keep moving, Decepticons! We need to reach that lift!
This lift will provide passage to the surface when activated.
What's wrong with this thing? Why can't we get it to move?
The elevator is locked down.
A simple solution, then. Break the locks!
Reconsider vision of target.
Starscream, come in! This is Megatron!
There is too much interference. We must move higher to relay your signal.
Can this feeble Autobot mechanism not move any faster? It appears we've lost that dull-witted brute Omega Supreme. Not that he stood a chance against my intellect.
Megatron?
Target reacquired. Weapons engaging.
He looks really angry.
Location. Decepticon leader. Recommendation. Complete termination.
You think you can destroy me, Omega Supreme? You think you can destroy Megatron? Do you?
Still alive? We're still alive! What happened? All due respect. But are you crazy? If we go out there, he'll...
Megatron, you're still functional. Thank you.
Decepticons located.
Grab us! Stop whining and start shooting right down.
Omega Supreme's right on our tails! There's gotta be some way to shake him!
Move back inside. Perhaps we can avoid Omega's tracking systems.
Fortified Autobot position located straight ahead. Jamming Autobot scanners now. Our approach should be
Omega Supreme has
undetected.
lost the Decepticons! Where'd they go?
Scan this entire sector. They must be coordinating with Omega Supreme, trying to locate us. Well, we'll give them what they want, along with a painful death.
Someone's breaking in! Assume defensive positions!
Excellent work, Soundwave. Now unlock the exit door. A mere rocket poses no threat to Megatron.
Autobot brute! These guys don't know when to quit, do they?
Smash through them.
Initiating weapon tools!
Stay sharp, we've got company. Got you.
Freak!
Megatron, the Autobot security systems are countering the effects of dark energon.
A futile gesture. Decepticons, destroy the sentries!
Watch out! Omega's mining the road ahead!
Scanners indicate a bridge nearby. Crossing there will give us access to a second elevator.
Another elevator? I don't know. The last one didn't work out so well.
Do not test me, Breakdown. My patience is at a critical low.
We're pinned down!
Starscream, do you read me?
Megatron, you're alive?
Spare me your theatrics. I need immediate air support. Attack Omega Supreme!
New targets acquired. Initiating pursuit.
There! Omega Supreme is distracted! Attack the Autobots! Autobots are firing grenades!
He takes all of them!
Target the repair sentries, or we'll never destroy these Autobots!
The automated repair systems are healing the enemy units.
Get out of there!
Need to recharge!
Need to recharge!
Red functionality.
Weapon time! Grenade! Take cover!
Releasing supply orders. Ready for action.
Shall lead the way! Darkness cannot hurt me!
Sound the alarm!
There's Omega again! He's getting ahead of us! Omega found us again! We can't go that way! What do we do now?
Mapping alternate route now.
Let's get off this road and out of the open! We will find another way!
Someone come! Megatron, we're trapped!
Soundwave! You led us to this place. What is your explanation?
Scans reveal poor structural integrity surrounding this maintenance access door.
You heard him! Blast the wall!
Megatron, these are Iacon power maintenance tunnels. Moving through them will lead to the bridge terminal.
Those Autobot cars are so ugly my optics are blurry! Store's rerouting the way.
Weapons back online! I got the speed we need!
Look out! Sentries above us!
Caution. Any contact with the energy beams will cause severe systems damage.
You want us to go through that power conduit? No way! The energon flow is off the charts! We'll be fried!
Get moving, breakdown!
Decepticon! Repowering weapons!
Tube temperature will soon be fatal. The bridge is just ahead. It may be necessary to extend the tube by accessing the bridge controls.
I don't like it, Megatron. It's too quiet.
And yet still preferable to your incessant chatter. Now get to those controls! Evacuate the bridge!
The bridge is extended. We now have access to the other side.
Finally! Decepticons, move quickly! We must reach those guns! Faster, Decepticons!
It's not. We're not gonna make it!
You will reach the other side, or I'll have your head!
A few moments later.
Can't believe it! We made it!
Yes, Breakdown. Your constant whining saw us through.
Megatron, the second cargo elevator is nearby. It will take us directly to the heavy ion turrets.
Perfect. We shall ascend, and Omega Supreme will follow to his destruction.
Good. I can use the
Anything that moves!
I'm here!
Got stores rerouting to weapons. And up yet?
Are you ready to move out?
Weapons overheated! Weapons be abnormal!
You're no match for me!
There's one of those hideous Autobots!
Megatron, I detect numerous Decepticon and Autobot signals a few dozen meters above us. We are nearing the surface battle.
Starscream, status report!
The Autobots are counterattacking! Retreat! Decepticons, retreat!
Belay that order! Decepticons, this is Megatron! Anyone caught fleeing this battle will be marked kill on sight! Press your attack immediately!
Attack? But Megatron!
Especially you, Starscream! I order you to continue the assault! Megatron out! We've reached the ion turrets. Now, let Omega Supreme come.
Target the Seekers! Get those
Our Seekers are being shredded!
Blast the Autobots and take those guns!
Let the Decepticons take control of these turrets! Stop them, Auto!
Ready to fire!
Let's rock and roll. Taste the wrath of Megatron! You must
A few moments later.
Megatron analysis indicates the firepower of those turrets is sufficient to damage Omega Supreme.
Speaking of Omega Supreme,
Targets reacquired. Attack commencing. Decepticons, prepare for destruction.
Megatron, Omega Supreme's armor has been breached.
Keep firing, Decepticons! The turrets are wearing down Omega Supreme's defenses! Decepticons, Omega Supreme has deployed aerial bots. Shoot them down!
Target reacquired. Weapons engaging.
Omega flees like a coward. Now, let's finish the job!
The great Omega Supreme is vulnerable. Megatron and his Decepticons must press their attack if they hope to overcome the Guardian of Iacon and force him to unlock the gateway to Cybertron's core.
you think he survived all that?
As long as there is enough left to open the Omega Gate, I care not.
Megatron? I don't think that's gonna be a problem.
Power cells drained. Initiate energy recovery subroutine.
Sensors indicate that those batteries are the source of Omega Supreme's rejuvenation.
Scanning. Decepticon intruders. Weapons engaging.
Weapons engaging? I thought we had this guy beat!
Danger. Avoid Omega Supreme's.
Our weapons aren't doing anything to him!
Scans indicate that Omega Supreme's defensive barrier does not extend to his turrets.
Warning. Vulnerability in select subsystems.
A battery full of energon just came up out of the floor! Is that normal?
Omega Supreme appears to be
Decepticons, we must move quickly! Use Dark Energon on the core battery!
Detected. System corruption. Action. Release counter-virus.
Look at that! The corruption's hurting him!
The great Omega Supreme is vulnerable at last! Decepticons, attack!
Systems recalibrated. Situation suboptimal.
Hey, look! There's another battery!
What are you waiting for? Use the Dark Energon on it!
Detected. System corruption. Action. Release counter-virus.
I, Megatron, have defeated Omega Supreme!
All hail Megatron!
Systems corrupted. Power level 49%. Repairs initiating.
He's getting back up? What do we do now?
Megatron, be advised, Omega's internal shielding.
Watch out for those rockets!
There's a beam of armor plating protecting his chest.
How are we supposed to get through that armor plating?
Stop whining and start shooting, Breakdown!
Immediate surrender required. Access to core. Possible.
He's drawing energy from Cybertron's core! What amazing power! I must have it for myself!
He said his power was drained! He's got even more now than he did before!
It makes no difference! Not even Omega Supreme can stop me now!
the Dark Energon to corrupt him.
I know what to do, Soundwave. Be silent or face my wrath!
Systems failing. Corruption total.
Yes. Yes! The Autobot's most powerful weapon and the key to the core of Cybertron are mine! The universe shall hear my name and tremble!
Omega Supreme has fallen, corrupted by the influence of Dark Energon. Triumphant, Megatron forces the Guardian to open the Omega Gate and lead the Decepticons to the core of Cybertron itself.
At last, the core of Cybertron is mine! Are the corruptors in place?
Yes, Lord Megatron.
Then let it begin! A glorious new age is upon us, my brethren. With Dark Energon infused into the core, Cybertron is mine to command! I command!